Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Samsung Galaxy Watch 6 and you need to do a hard reset on it, but you don't have the pin. We can bypass the pin and delete everything, but your watch will be like it was when it came out of the box. Everything will be deleted off it. All we need to do if we want to do that is we're going to, with it turned off and with enough battery, charge in the battery to get through this process, maybe 30%, we are going to come in and we're going to press the home button and the back button and press and hold them simultaneously until the watch turns on. And once the watch starts to turn on, we're going to tap repeatedly the home button until this menu pops up. And we can select the reboot mode. And then we're going to tap the home button to toggle through these options. And when we get to the option we want, which is recovery, we're going to press and hold. And from there, it will open up a menu that looks like this. And again, we're going to tap the home button to toggle through the options and select Wipe Data Factory Reset. And then press and hold to select it. You may get another confirmation page. And then once you do that and once you confirm it, it will go through a restart up process and everything will be deleted and your watch will be like it was when it came out of the box. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.